MetaTrader 4 winning trading strategy. This strategy is really meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You cannot use this on derived platform. This is really meant for MT4. Before you take any trade, make sure you check Forex Factory to see if there's any news that may likely affect your trading analysis. Make sure you check Forex Factory. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning forex trading strategy, either for MetaTrader 4 or for MetaTrader 5. We have a lot of best forex broker outside there. Make sure you check them out. In my video description, I did draw some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out and open a demo account with them first. Try out your strategy. If you are consistent, then you can go live with your hard-earned money. But before you do that, make sure you practice on Forex demo account before you open a live account and fund with your hard-earned money. Make sure you practice on regulated forex brokers. Now let us move on to today's strategy. On my chart, I have multiple moving averages to come up with this winning forex trading strategy for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. Now follow me closely as I explain how to use these tools on any forex broker. Here I have moving averages that did turn to yellow color for a sell, and I have the white color for a buy. I have this non repainting arrow, the yellow and the white arrow. The white is for buy, while yellow is for sell. Then I have TDI indicators here on my indicator window. And beside that, I have this PTL indicator here, this ball indicator. So this is how I use this winning forex tools. Before you take any trade, make sure all the indicators are in agreement, because these moving averages, they have different values. But when you see all the moving averages in agreement, as we have it here at this particular point, then you can take your trade. And make sure TDI is in agreement also before you take your trade. At this particular point, we have all the indicators in agreement. The two lines here on TDI, we have it below the yellow tick line in confirmation of this particular trend. So this is a good run, and this did deliver. This is USD Japanese yen. You can use this strategy on any time frame and on any forex pair, either on indices, gold, on silver. You can use it. Just make sure you follow the simple rule, and for continuation you can take more trade at this particular point. At this particular point, you can take more trade. And when you've analyzed this particular strategy, either on higher time frame, then you can go to lower time frame if you are a scalper and scalp on lower time frame in the direction of this 1 hour time frame or 15-minute time frame. It depends on what time frame you want to trade. But let's go back to 1 minute if you're a scalper, and let us trade in the direction of this particular trend. It is established on 1 hour time frame that we have a downward trend. So we'll go back to lower time frame and to scalp in the direction of this particular trend. So here on 1 minute time frame, you can see we have a lot of opportunity. If you miss it on higher time frame, then you can come down to lower time frame and place your trade in the direction of either 15 minutes or 1 hour. Here are good point to enter this particular trade, and your stop loss will just be few pips above the previous high or above the thick yellow line here. And this is how you win profitably with this particular strategy. I have used this and it's working perfectly, so you can use it profitably too. But make sure you try it out on MetaTrader 4 demo account before you go live. Make sure you try it on demo account first before you go live. And if you want to scalp on 5 minute time frame, you can do that. And if you want to trade on 15 minute time frame, you can do that. Date deliver. So let's check other pairs. It is the same methodology. This is 15 minutes time frame on gold, and this is 1 hour time frame. And here is it on 1 minute time frame. All depends on you. Since we have a uptrend in 15 minutes, if you want to scalp on the lower time frame, either 5 minutes or 1 minute time frame, we will only take a buy signal that will be generated with the same indicator, and we have a lot of opportunity to enter this particular trade. We have a lot of opportunity to scalp in the direction of the main trend. So this is how to use this particular winning forex tools, multiple moving averages on MetaTrader 4. Make sure you practice on demo account and make sure you are consistent before you go live. I do not want to go over each indicator one by one since I have a lot of moving averages on my chart, but check the video description of this particular video. You will be able to see the download link. Make sure you download all the indicators. I did include my template so that you have the same chart like mine. There's no need for you to go over it one by one. I do not want to keep this video very long. This is a profitable forex trading strategy for MetaTrader 4. Make sure you practice it. And if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. Do not forget to turn on your notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning forex trading strategies or indicators. What are you waiting for? Give me that thumb up if you are yet to do so. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow forex trader, Joe, and bye for now.